everybody and Happy New Year. Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you what's in our new card making kit, which is called Serendipity. But we don't have just one card making kit in January, we have 2, 3 card making kits. So let me start with Serendipity because this is our main collection for January and I'll show you what is in the kit. So this is how the card making kit comes. This opens out to show you 6 cards that you can make. Tanya's designed those ones, and in the kit you get a packet of our 10 card envelopes. You get our silver pearls, some ribbon, you get the creative cuts. Under here you can see we've got the little card making words which you can cut out with our essential die number 5, and of course the little mini paper pack. So that's for the card making kit. And here we have some of the beautiful cards. So this one is the birthday wishes one. Look at the detail on that, gorgeous card. Tanya has designed these ones. Congratulations, perfect for weddings, engagements, birthdays, just to have in your stash. Well, happy birthday. Love the little stripies on this one. Thinking of you. Another gorgeous little happy birthday one. And the lucky last. So they've got those 6 cards. So all you need to make these cards is some adhesive and some scissors, basically. Paper trimmer, scissors, whatever you got. The next one I want to show you is our Wild card making kit. Now Wild was one of our collections that was released in our Advent kit, and I want to take you through what's in this kit. So of course the card envelopes. This time we've got the mint pearls and some white ribbon. You've got your creative cuts. You have got one of those little card making kit words which is hiding under there, and of course you've got the little mini paper pack. So what is in these cards? So have a wild birthday. A big birthday wish, so these are great for boys, but not only boys, because this collection's got these gorgeous succulents. You can make something for the girls too. Just thanks for everything. I designed these ones. And wishing you the best day, another girly one. And we're going to finish off with another boy one. So something for everybody in the Wild kit. The last one I want to show you is our Dreamer kit. So this is the Dreamer one, which is also an Advent release. You are getting the card envelopes again, the beautiful crystal rhinestones, some white ribbon, the card envelopes. As you can see, there's one of those little words from using with colour part die number 5, and the paper pack. And Tanya has also designed these ones, so let me show you. Thanks so much. Little sweetheart. You could use that for a first birthday, anything. Baby cards. Hello. You could add hello baby onto that. Beautiful happy birthday. Thanks. And sparkly birthday wishes. So just great to have in the stash. So our card making kits are always just $27. And you can purchase these on our website anytime. And we hope you like the 3 card making kits that we are offering in January. Thanks guys.